There's always that one part of the day when the driving stops and the waiting starts. Airing back up, one tire at a time, same routine every trip. Today, I'm changing that. The old setup versus something built to move faster. Let's see what actually makes a difference in this head-to-head shootout between the old faithful Smittybilt and the new dual air compressor by Bunker Industries.
Los Burrows gear review.
This is what I've been using to air up, and honestly, it's been testing my patience for a while now. So today, I'm putting it head-to-head against this, the dual tire setup from Bunker Industries, to see if it actually saves time or if it's basically the same thing in a different package. So what comes in the box, you ask? Well, let's take a look. You get the air compressor, the hose, and the battery hookup. But you don't care about that. Let's see how it works. It's time for the main event. On one side, my old compressor. It's simple, it works, but it's slow. On the other side, this dual tire setup. Twin cylinders, more airflow, and the ability to run 2 tires at once. Now the issue isn't whether or not a compressor works. They all eventually work. The issue is how long you're left standing there waiting, because after a full day on the trail, that's the part that starts to wear on you. The Smittybilt puts out 5.6 CFM at 150 max PSI, and the Bunker puts out 12.3 CFM at 150 max PSI. So what's the difference? This one has 2 cylinders, which means twice the power. It also has a digital display and an automatic shutoff for a more set it and forget it approach. So let's see what this actually means in the real world. First step, air down the tires to 20 PSI. Okay, first up, Smittybilt. Wake up! Five minutes, 36 seconds. Let's see if Bunker can beat that. Back down to 20 PSI. All you do here is press the mode button, set your PSI, and press start. Okay, Bunker came in at 3.5 minutes, 3 minutes, 36 seconds, which means I'll be saving about 5 minutes on my air up time, which means I'll be at the next trail 5 minutes faster, or I'll be home 5 minutes faster. Either way, it's a win for me. Okay, well, there you have it. The results are in. The clear winner is the Bunker Industries. But honestly, it's not about the numbers. It's about how it feels to use. With the old setup, you're waiting, stopping, moving hoses, repeating. With this one, you're just making constant progress. And with the ability to shut itself off when it's at the correct PSI, well, that's golden. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. And if you're looking for a new air compressor, this could be the ticket. The Bunker Industries dual cylinder air compressor. This one gets the Los Burros seal of approval. And until the next one, I'll see you down the trail. Adios.
Los Burrows gear